Taxations in the vast world of finance, Forex trading has emerged as a popular avenue for individuals seeking to make some extra income. Marchin, while it's important to approach Forex trading with caution and a willingness to learn, the potential to earn $20,000 per month exists for those who are dedicated and strategic in their approach. Firstly, it's crucial to understand what Forex trading is all about. Forex, or the foreign exchange market, involves the trading of different currencies against one another. The goal is to buy a currency when its value is low and sell it when it's high, making a profit in the process. To start your journey in Forex trading, you'll need a basic understanding of how the market works. Numerous online resources, courses, and tutorials are available to help beginners grasp the fundamentals. Or it's advisable to start small and gain experience gradually rather than diving into complex strategies right away. One key element in successful Forex trading is choosing a reliable broker. A broker is essentially a platform that facilitates your trades. Firstly, look for one with a good reputation, reasonable fees, and a user-friendly interface. Additionally, ensure that the broker is regulated, providing an added layer of security for your funds. Risk management is another critical aspect of Forex trading. While the potential for profit is enticing, there is an inherent risk of loss. Setting a risk tolerance and implementing stop-loss orders can help mitigate these risks, ensuring that you don't lose more than you can afford. Developing a trading strategy is essential for consistent success. This involves analyzing the market, understanding economic indicators, and identifying trends. Some traders use technical analysis, while others rely on fundamental analysis. Whichever approach you choose, consistency and discipline are key. Stick to your strategy, even in the face of temporary setbacks. Continuous learning is a hallmark of successful Forex traders. Markets evolve, and staying informed about global economic developments is crucial. Keep up with financial news, attend webinars, and engage with the trading community. Learning from both successes and failures will contribute to your growth as a trader. Patience is a virtue in Forex trading. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Rather, it requires a steady and measured approach. Don't be disheartened by temporary losses and avoid making impulsive decisions. Emotions can cloud judgment, so maintaining a calm and rational mindset is essential for long-term success. Diversifying your investments is a wise strategy. Instead of putting all your funds into one currency pair, spread your investments across multiple pairs. This helps reduce the impact of a poor-performing asset on your overall portfolio. Automated trading systems or trading robots can also be considered. These are programs that execute trades on your behalf based on predefined criteria. While they can be beneficial, it's important to thoroughly research and test any automated system before relying on it completely. Remember, making $20,000 per month from Forex trading is achievable with the right mindset, education, and strategy. Start small, choose a reputable broker, manage risks wisely, and stay committed to continuous learning. By embracing a patient and disciplined approach, you can navigate the complexities of the Forex market and potentially achieve your financial goals. Remember, success in Forex trading is a journey, not a destination.